We've had this one sitting in our fridge for a little while, and you can see that there's a few things. There's an X here, there's an arrow pointing up, and there's a 20.3 reading here. What this means is the current temperature this is recording is 20.3 degrees. That X means that the thresholds we've set on this, which is 2 and 8 degrees, have been breached, which means the temperature is being recorded outside of those thresholds. And the upper arrow means that there was a recording taken above the 8 degree temperature. So if we click stop here, there's review. So we can have a look here. The max temperature on this log tag was recorded as 23.1. The lowest was 1.7 degrees. So that's how you check your min-max. This is our temperature threshold, so it's at 8 degrees, and it's recorded above 8 degrees for 45 minutes here. That's what you can see. And if we go low, this is our 2 degrees lower threshold, and this is the amount of time that's been recorded. It's 6 hours and 15 minutes. If we press start, that's how we get back to normal. So you can see our current time is 3:50, current temperature is 20.3.